Hey guys, another one of type 2. Let's see what do we have in here. We have these people, Alex, say that cosine of x, cosine of an angle, minus cosine squared of that same angle times cosecant that angle is the same as calculating just sine of that angle. A lot more simple. So we have to prove that. We're going to start with the left-hand side of the equation, and let's see what we can do. Notice that we have cosecant in both terms in this expression. So it would be good that we factor that cosecant out of the expression and make it look like this. You will have to be really clever, guys, because nobody is going to tell you what to do. This comes from your experience. This cosecant, I factored it out of the expression to make it look like this. You remember factorization first semester? So that is just an algebraic operation. Yeah, okay, I haven't told you this, but if you press this little button in each option, you can see what are the identities that they are talking about. Okay, let me fix this. What happened? Oh, okay. Wait a second. This doesn't look so good. Yeah. Okay. So validate before continuing. Then look at this expression inside the parentheses. This looks like a Pythagorean identity with a little modification, because sine squared of an angle equals 1 minus cosine squared of that same angle. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to change 1 minus cosine squared to be sine squared in another row. So cosecant of the angle remains the same, and sine squared of the angle is what will change. So it looks good so far. This was a Pythagorean, and I'm going to validate before going any further. Okay, that looks good. And then what then? What should we do? Yeah, look at what you want. I always tell you this. Look at what you want. You want sine, so you already have sine, so maybe you can do something with the cosecant, because we don't want cosecant. Cosecant, do you remember, that is the reciprocal of sine? So that looks promising. Okay, so cosecant is 1 over sine. The rest remains the same. So I'm going to change that cosecant to be 1 over sine. I'm going to choose that was a reciprocal identity, and I'm going to validate it. Of course, yes, it is correct. Let me try to move this to make it look good. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this part, and we're almost done, because as you can see in here, we have sine squared divided by 1 sine, so that will be 1, and we will get just sine, right? So we're done. Sine of x divided by 1, of course, but that is not, that won't change anything, and that was an algebraic procedure. Validate. Your proof is done, and check correct. Is it, Alex? Is it correct? Okay, thank you.